How to sign up Trust Wallet account. Hey there, welcome back to the channel, and let's get right into this tutorial. To sign up with a Trust Wallet account, start off by launching the application in your device. Now over here, click on the option of Get Started. Right over here, you will see the option of Create New Wallet or Add Existing Wallet. To create a brand new account, tap on Create New Wallet. From here, tap on Create next to Secret Phase. Here, you can back up manually or to Google Drive, or you can skip it for now as well. Then you need to create a passcode. It can also ask you for your biometric login. Make sure to enter a biometric login. Once you have done that, tap on Start Using Trust Wallet and allow the permission it asks for. And just like that, simply you have created your very own Trust Wallet account. Make sure you remember or copy the secret phrase that you have created, because that will help you to recover your account as well as it is required during transactions. This sums up the tutorial as well. Thank you so much for tuning in.